at least clean the utensils so that you can see the sink is just too full of the utensils. This is what exactly that I want to do now. Join me in my kitchen. Let's do it together with you. So we're gonna use this tray. The utensils that we have washed. And I'm going to use Ushindi lemon liquid dishwashing liquid. Ushindi lemon dishwashing liquid. As you can see it. Ushindi lemon dishwashing liquid. Very nice, huh? Give them a trial. You try this next time. So I want to spread this kitchen towel here on top of this my tray so that after washing the dishes, the cups, I put them here. The reason is because we are using salt water, and salt water, you cannot leave your utensils like that to dry on their own, because we have to panguza, wipe the utensils. Okay. Let's do this together with you. On top of this, the water will be drained by the kitchen towel. So by the time I'll be putting them in the rack, there will be no water there, or I'll just do some small time wiping and come to things. The flow of the water is not so sufficient. What I have. Better you use just what you have. Do this alone in your house, or there are some people doing it for you? Because this one is ladies' work. From the time you are still a young girl, you start by washing the utensils, and we are still very young, so we get used to it, and we don't actually see it as something that is a big deal. Yeah, of course it's not a big deal to us. We are very much used to it, to washing the utensils. It has been raining in Mombasa, so the mosquitoes are around. We don't feel so free all the time. We are ever burning the mosquito coils to prevent the mosquitoes from biting us every now and then. We are through with washing our utensils, and these are the utensils that we were washing. This is how they're looking like. So after the water has dropped into the kitchen towel, we shall therefore go ahead and wipe the utensils, and then we put them in the rack. Then while we are wiping this place also to look clean, and these are the shops that I've used. Ushindi, we also have Morning Fresh, and we also have Hand Wash Blue King. So I normally use almost all of these. So it has taken us 14 minutes to wash our utensils. We thank God so much, and thank you so much for being with me in my kitchen, helping me to wash my utensils. I love you so much. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, give my video a like, and comment down below. Tell me how you do your washings of your utensils, and what are the soaps that you are using. They are not the soaps, they are the soap. You know what? Just as I did tell you, the S and the H are bringing trouble sometimes, but don't worry. So long as you get the message, you get what actually I'm trying to communicate to you. I love you so much, and I'm seeing you again in my next video as we do some other things. I do videos of things that are happening in our everyday lives. So we cook, we wash, we show you around, we go to the market, we go to the shops, and we do all kinds of the things that we as human beings do in our everyday lives, and even what the animals also do. Are human beings animals as well? Those who know that English should now tell us something about it. Thank you so much. I'm seeing you again in my next video as I say goodbye.